the best. You can be the king Kong banging on your chest. World, you can beat the wall.
So what's up mga idol? It's me again, Ed's Traveler, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video mga idol, have to teach you on how to use split screen in Realme 8 5G. Ayan. So you have to go to the settings, right? Click settings, then find convenience tools. Click convenience tools. Ayan, here. Convenience tools, or you may type it in the search box. Split screen. It will come out suggestions for split screen, then click, then you have to turn it on here. Yan. Tapos when you already enable the split screen mode mga idol, so to open an app that supports split screen, so gusto kong mag YouTube. Gusto kong mag YouTube. Ayan, so punta tayo sa YouTube. While like yan na yung YouTube. Tapos gusto kong while watching videos, gusto kong mag Facebook din. So all you have to do is to use 3 fingers, yan, and swipe up. Yan, lalabas na yung mga yung sa menu. Tapos click nyo lang yung apps na gusto nyong i-open. So for me, Facebook. So ayan, yun na yung mga idol. So ayan na, naka-split screen na yan, na makapag-Facebook na ako while watching video. Yan. So hindi lahat ng applications mga idol pwede sa split screen. So easy lang mga idol. Tapos if you want to go to single screen, so again, have to swipe up 3 fingers na rin. And balik na yan sa Right? Yan lang mga idol. Hope may natutunan kayo mga idol. Thank you so much and see you in my next vlog. Paalam!